Okay, so this is the original Mars Coat King grooming tool. It's really well made. You can see the name on here and the information on the back here, how to use. Put on the coat with a little pressure and comb out in direction of growing. Remove the hair into the Coat King by hand. I believe this is German made, so super high quality. And you can see the design there, very cool. So let's see on this guy. He does not have a very thick coat, but he does shed. Let me see. Look at that. So we're just gonna comb in the direction that the hair is growing. Ooh, that feels nice, huh? So it's very gentle, but it will remove any of the excess fur, any of the shedding. Yeah, see, he's not shedding a whole lot because it's cold and it's rainy. But it feels good. It takes off all the dead hair, dead skin. There we go. The handle is comfortable. Yeah, so you can just tell that it's really well made. It's a high, good quality product. Yeah, and then you can see that, oh, there we go. I'm getting some there. So definitely, oh, look at that. If you have a long-haired dog, this would, I bet, take a ton off. We have a short-haired dog and it's still removing quite a bit, and he really likes it. It's comfortable. It's not, you know, too rough on their coat or anything. Yeah. Look at that. And then you just remove that by hand. Let's see if I can, there you see it. Remove that excess stuff by hand and keep grooming. Yeah, so definitely recommend. Really nice product, the original Mars, made in Germany. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10, and it's doggy approved.